So uh, what we want to do here now, remember, if you remember, we have now created and hosted our website to one Windows server. Okay, we have added domain here and we have tested it locally. Okay, by adding a DNS entry in host file. Okay, now we want to create one subdomain and we want to add a DNS entry for that. Okay, so now what we have to do here, here also we have two options. You can make one subdomain, you can add new subdomain here if you want, or you can directly add a DNS a record entry. So how you can add subdomain here, like YouTube, our subdomain is youtube.amchannel.in. So we will add only YouTube here. It will take automatic amchannel.in as a main domain, okay, primary domain, and it will take uh, our website directory from this server itself. In public HTML folder, it will create one more folder as YouTube, and that directory will be our root directory or default directory for this subdomain. Okay, but we don't want to create document root directory on this server. Okay, so what we will do, we will directly add entry, subdomain entry in zone editor. Okay, in zone editors, we can add or remove subdomains or DNS entries from here. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on manage, and you can see you will have so many entries in zone editors. Okay, every entry has its own purpose. So maybe some of the entries are not useful, but let it be. So how we can add a record for our subdomain? So we can directly click on plus drop down option and click on add a record. So what is our subdomain? Our subdomain is youtube.amchannel.in. Okay, this is our subdomain, and we need to add IPv4 address here. So where should we get that? We can get it from our Windows server. Okay, what is that? Here is public IP address 35.170.249.139. 35.179.139. Add record. Okay, now our record is added now. So if you want, you can verify it from here. Select only A records and take scroll down. And last entry is our subdomains entry. Okay. Make sure you have added the correct public record, public IP address 35.170.249.139. Okay. This is the public IPv4 address of our Windows server. Okay. So what is next step? Let's try to browse our subdomain or website. Okay. I think it will not work. we need to do one more step to allow website to be browsed from anywhere from the world is we need to allow the HTTP port from security group. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. We are in AWS management console now, and I have selected our server, and here we need to come to security section, and we need to go to security groups. Okay, I'll open that. Okay, in security group, what we have to do is we want to allow port 80. For that, make sure you are in inbound rules section and click on edit inbound rules. And here, add rule. Rule we will get here is HTTP. Okay, so it will automatically take port 80. And if you want to add any description, you can add, or you can leave it blank. Okay, click on save rules. We will use anywhere from world and click on save rules. Okay, now we will try to browse our website from browser. Okay, so we are able to browse the website now. As soon as we have allowed port 80, we are able to browse our website. So we will take access of our search Windows server, and we will upload another theme or another website. And again, we will try to browse that from local server as well as from my as well as from public or from remote server. Okay. So let's come here, connect RDP client, download remote desktop file. I will open that file again. Click on connect. Okay. So I'll use the password here. Okay. Server 12. Yes. And we are on our Windows server now. Okay. So come to IIS server. And from here, or you can directly open your folder of your website from Explorer directly as well. I'll right click and click on Explore. Okay. And this is the index file that we are able to browse. So what we need to do is here, we are going to upload one theme. Okay. I have downloaded this theme from, I downloaded that theme from htmlcodex.com, where you can download free themes. Okay. I'll copy all the content from this folder, downloaded folder. And I'll remove this index HTML, and I'll paste all the content from our theme to youtube.amchannel.in. And we can say as this is our code or deployment. Okay. We are doing the manual deployment process. Once you understand the manual deployment process and all the steps for hosting any website or any application, then you can start your learning uh, another tools where we can make or automate all this process of deploying your website. So now we will first browse this website from the same server. Okay. Okay, I'm not restarting it. We will see will it affect or not. Okay. And yes, we can see the website now. This is the template that I have downloaded. Okay. So we can say this is our website. Whoever will browse from worldwide and or from anywhere in the world, they can able to access our website now. Okay. youtube.amchannel.in. Okay. I'll refresh it once again. And yes, here it is. You can see the website now. Okay. And you can also design and start learning and making your websites and host it yourself. And also you will face some more issues while hosting your website, and that real issues will give you more knowledge and more experience to resolve that issues, to check the logs, uh, and to do things more effectively. And this way you will learn more things and you will understand more concepts. Okay, so let's head to the next task, how to create a SSL certificate from Windows Server. We will see it in next video.